Hey kids, good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, staying safe at your homes and washing your hands regularly. So, I am back today for English session. Before we start, let's complete our circle time. और क्या करते हैं हम लोग circle time में पहले? सबसे पहले क्या करते हैं circle time में? We sing a morning song. So ready? चलो, let's begin. 1, 2, 3 and let's start. Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands? Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands? Can you stretch up high? Can you touch your nose? Can you turn around and say hello? Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands? Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands? Hey, hello everyone. Alright, what do we do next? We always sing our days of the week and find out what day is it today. So ready? Let's sing days of the week. Ready? Days of the week, clap, clap. Days of the week, clap, clap. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, clap, clap. Take your position. Let's begin. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. Then there's Saturday. Days of the week, clap, clap. Days of the week, clap, clap. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, clap, clap. So children, what day is it today? Think. Yes, still alright. Today is Thursday. So boys and girls, let's cheer for Thursday. Ready? Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. All day long. All day long. Thursday, Thursday, Thursday. Thursday, Thursday, Thursday. Learning is fun. Learning is fun. Hello Thursday. Very good. So, what are we going to learn today? Before I start with today's English session, let's learn some good habits. Are you ready for it? Chalo, let me show you some pictures. So, here are few good habits that we are supposed to do every day. ये कुछ good habits हैं जो हमें regularly follow करनी चाहिए. Let's start. First one. Brush your teeth twice a day. Yes, we should brush our teeth twice a day. Okay, first good habit. जैसे हम लोग मॉर्निंग में उठते हैं, first thing that we should do is we should brush our teeth. Also, सोने से पहले भी रात को we should brush our teeth. It keeps them healthy and strong. Next, have a bath every day. Yes, very important. Every day you should take a bath. Okay. Next one, comb your hair. Okay. We should comb our hair properly. Our hair should not be shabby. बिखरे हुए नहीं होने चाहिए हमारे बाल. So, we should comb our hair. Yes. Next, wear clean clothes. Yes, very important. जो भी कपड़े हम लोग पहनते हैं, our clothes should be clean. Yes. Next, keep your fingernails clean and short. Yes, जो हमारे nails हैं, वो should be short. ऐसे बड़े बड़े nails नहीं होने चाहिए. Also, it should be clean. Okay, यहाँ कोई भी हमारे nails में there should not be any dirt. तो हमें हमारे nails short रखने चाहिए. We should cut them regularly. Okay, and it should be clean. And the last one, wash your hands after visiting the toilet. जब भी आप वॉशरूम जाते हैं, you should wash your hands. Okay? So let's revise it one more time. First, brush your teeth twice a day. Next is have a bath every day. रोज हमें नहाना चाहिए. Next one, we should comb our hair. Yes, when we comb our hair, it looks neat and clean. Wear clean clothes. जो भी clothes आप पहनते हैं, that should be clean. Keep your fingernails clean and short. हमारे जो nails हैं, those should be clean and short. लंबे लंबे बड़े बड़े nails नहीं करने चाहिए हमें. And last one, वॉश योर हैंड्स आफ्टर विजिटिंग द टॉयलेट। जब भी आप वॉशरूम जाएं, पूरे दिन में हमें हमारे हैंड्स को अच्छे से सोप एंड वाटर से क्लीन करना चाहिए। सो डू यू रिमेम्बर कि कल हम लोगों ने एक वॉश वॉश वाला सॉन्ग किया था? लेट्स डू इट वन मोर टाइम। रेडी? 1, 2, 3 and let's begin. Wash, wash, wash your hands, wash those germs away. Soap and water does the trick to keep them clean and dry. Yay! Let's do it one more time. Ready? Wash, wash, wash your hands, wash those germs away. Soap and water does the trick to keep them clean and dry. Yes, so जब भी हम लोग सोप से हमारे हैंड्स को वॉश करते हैं, it keeps it clean and dry. Okay? Very good. Before we start our writing work, let's revise the sounds. Okay? Are you ready for it? Before I start writing, let us first see the capital and the small letters. Today we are going to learn about letter E to letter I. So chalo, let's start with the first letter. See, this is called capital E, small e. E as in elephant. Elephant. Yes, capital E, small e. What comes after letter E? We have letter F. See, this is capital F, small f. Capital F, small f. F as in flower. F as in flower. Okay? Capital F, small f. What comes next after letter F? We have letter G. See? Capital G, small g. One more time. Capital G, small g. G as in grapes. Grapes. Capital G, small g. And what's the sound? G. Very good. What letter comes after letter G? It is letter H. So see, this is capital H, small h. Capital H, small h. H as in house. Yes, house. Very good. And the last letter for today is letter I. See, this is capital I, small I. One more time. Capital I, small I. I as in igloo. I as in igloo. Igloo. Very good. So chalo, let's start writing now. Okay. For writing parents, आप इसी तरीके से दोनों पेजेस प्रिपेयर करेंगे. You will write classwork and homework. आप आज का डेट पुट करेंगे, which is 8/4/2021. लेटर E to लेटर I. आपको कैपिटल और स्मॉल दोनों एक साथ लिखना है. जैसे हम लोग इस पेज पे लिख रहे हैं, सेम चीज आप इसी पेज पे भी होमवर्क के लिए लिखवाएंगे बच्चों से. सो चलो, लेट्स स्टार्ट राइटिंग. ओके, आई विल बी राइटिंग इट 3 times. आप उसी तरीके से बच्चों से पूरा लाइन कंप्लीट कराएंगे. प्लीज नोट कि बच्चों से आप पहले एक पूरा लाइन कराएं. यू विल गो डाउनवर्ड्स. यू विल नॉट गो लाइक दिस. लेफ्ट टू राइट नहीं जाना है. यू विल गो डाउनवर्ड्स. ओके, तो चलो, लेट अस स्टार्ट. सी, व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट लेटर नाउ चिल्ड्रन? कैपिटल E, small e. E as in engine. Engine. तो चलो, let's write. How do I write it? Capital E and small e. Touch the lines and write. One more time. Capital E, small e. See? You should touch the line properly. Okay? One more time. Capital E and small e. देखो, E में हम लोग सिर्फ ब्लू लाइंस को टच कर रहे हैं, स्मॉल E में, है ना? ओके. E as in engine. Engine. Let's see the next letter. This is letter F. Capital F, small f. तो चलो, let's write. Capital F, small f. Capital F, small f. One more time. Capital F, small f. F as in fish. Fish. Very good. Next letter after F is letter G. G says G. Grapes. चलिए, let us write. Capital G, small g. One more time. Capital G, small g. Capital G, small g. G says G. Grapes. What comes after letter G, children? It is letter H. See? H. Capital H and small h. One more time. Capital H, small h. One more time. Capital H, small h. H as in hat. Hat. Very good. और आज के लिए लास्ट लेटर कौन सा है हमारा? लेटर I. I as in igloo. Igloo. Yes, this is capital I, small I. चलो, let's write. Capital I, small I. See? Capital I and small I. Put a small dot ऊपर standing line करके. One more time. Capital I, small I. I as in igloo. Igloo. So बच्चों, you will complete this full page for classwork and you will complete this page for homework. दोनों pages complete होने के बाद में you will share the photo in the school group. Okay? And now children, it's time for rhymes. Let's get ready for it. Okay, so you have finished your writing work and now children, it's time for rhyme time. तो चलो, let's sing our first rhyme for today. So, क्योंकि आज हम लोगों ने good habits पढ़ा है, so we'll sing a rhyme that is brush. Ready? चलो. Brush your teeth, brush them twice a day. Father, mother, brother, sister, brush them twice a day. Wash your face, wash it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, wash it every day. Comb your head, comb it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, comb it every day. Yay, very good. And we'll sing the poem for our body parts. Ready? Chalo, let's begin. Two little eyes. Ready? Two little eyes to look around. Two little ears to hear each sound. One little nose to smell what's sweet. One little mouth that likes to eat. And two little hands to touch what's good. Yes. Okay. So the last poem for the day is Two Little Hands. Ready? Two little hands to clap, clap, clap. Two little feet go tap, tap, tap. Two little eyes are open wide. One little head goes side to side. One little nose to smell and sneeze. One little mouth to speak with ease. Two little ears to hear and hear. Hear and hear. Yay! Very good. So children, you will complete your writing work. और आप writing complete होने के बाद में you will send the photographs into the school group. Till then, learn all the good habits and revise your rhymes. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.